Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will read a dua that is one ayat of Holy Quran. So we will read it after Salatul Isha 100 times. Start and end with Darood Ibrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. You have to read this Darood in the beginning and at the end. So in between you have to read this ayat of Holy Quran 100 times after Salatul Isha before sleeping. Inshallah, your door of Rizq will open and you will get halal Rizq, and that will continue, and until you will continue to read this ayat, Allah's blessings will fall upon you, and that Rizq will produce in your mind the desire towards Allah's worship, and you will be a good Muslim, inshallah. And this ayat is from Surah Shura, ayat number 19. So, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahu latifum bi ibadihi yarzuqu man yasha wa huwal qawiyyul aziz. Allahu latifum bi ibadihi yarzuqu man yasha wa huwal qawiyyul aziz. Allahu latifum bi ibadihi yarzuqu man yasha wa huwal qawiyyul aziz. Allah latifun is kind bi ibadihi to his servants. Allahu latifum bi ibadihi, Allah is kind to his servants. Yarzuqu, he gave rizq, man yasha, to whom he wills. Wahuwa, and he, Allah, qawi, is powerful, strong. Aziz is mightiest. So wahuwal qawiyul aziz, and Allah is strong, powerful and mightiest. So you have to read this ayat 100 times after Salatul Isha every night. Start and end with Darood. Inshallah, your rizq will grow up and it will increase with the passage of time. And then you have to look after the way of spending according to Islamic Sharia. Don't follow the spending the money just for waste things, or to buy the things which are like according to the fashion or according to the custom and tradition of other culture. So you have to follow your own culture and be simple, nice person, and inshallah Allah's blessings will fall upon you, and you will be in a position to get the mercies of Allah, the blessings of Allah, and your mind will be in a position to do the good things, and your heart will like to do worship of Allah, and you will feel nice in this world and peaceful situation every time, and Allah's blessings will fall upon you. So try to read this one, inshallah, after Salatul Isha 100 times. Allahu latifum bi ibadihi yarzuqu man yasha wa huwal qawiyyul aziz. So inshallah you will get the blessings of Allah, and Allah's mercies will fall upon you. Allah give us tawfiq to read this one before sleeping, inshallah. Ameen.